No, I'll do it. You're struggling. Don't worry, you'll become a opening master like me. Okay guys, what's up guys? It's Vince, and if you did not see the first part, it will be linked in the description, VinceTylerTV. So last video we unboxed this guy. It's her Chris H4, and now we got he's a defense type, and now we got Iron X Secure S4. So he's also a slingshot and a turbo bay. So let's see his stats first. So his stats is pretty low. His attack is his highest one. His burst damage is pretty good. His defense is as good as his attack. Is as good as his burst. His weight is like one level up than his defense. Same goes for ability. And stamina is his lowest stat, so that's gonna be kind of a problem with him. Janelle, go ahead. If you need help, tell me.
Because I'm really good at it.
It's gonna be a long time, guys.
No,
I'll do it. You're struggling. Don't worry, you'll become a opening master like me. So she said she wants to open a little bit after I break down the box. So we gotta break down this box. We gotta break it down, guys. Okay, we got this out. Oh, it doesn't even have the plastic. So guys, if you want to scan him, here, scan it. So this is his top, guys. Here is Iron X Secure S4s. Energy disc. Here is his forge disc. It's almost like the same as her Chris's, but her Chris's is bigger. Yeah. So Janelle, can you pass me that? And finally, the most important part, his slingshot bottom. So here's Iron X's slingshot bottom, and I believe we just pull it down. I think. So okay. So I believe we just pull it. Oh, we gotta match it up. Oh, it is matched up already. Okay, I think we gotta see how that works. So let's put them together first. So here he is, her Chris. Kind of looks like a dark winning Valkyrie. A dark winning.
I'll do this thing. Can I do one?
So let's launch him. Give me a second, now.
Yes.
So let's. Whoa!
Look at this stuff.
His stamina is so good.
I think so close. It looks like a jammer when he looks so close.
I need. Didn't work. How do I twist it? Oh, twist it up?
Okay, I'm coming with her bin.
Why is it not working?
Maybe it's because you don't do it right.
Huh?
Maybe it's because you don't do it right.
So it looks like we gotta do a normal battle. So I do not have two launchers, so caution. So we're gonna do this guy first, since it's like a little Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, rip! So let's do a battle now. So 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Ooh! Big attack. It looks like her Chris is on top. Big attacks, slow attacks, big attacks though at the same time. Roasting against each other. Look at this. Oh, it looks like Iron X is off balance, trying to attack.
Oh my!
Her Chris Her Chris won that battle by the survival finish. I learned how to do the bottom. So time for the final round. You just twist it to the left, and then just pull it up. So then it just does this, but it doesn't really do anything. It just goes like it's like a box. It's like I said, but it's gonna be a slingshot battle. So of course we're gonna use slingshot mode. Slingshot mode versus a slingshot mode. I'm gonna turn on his mode too first. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, he's pretty good. Let me see that's better this time. 3, 2, 1, let it. So guys, I guess it's gonna be sadly maybe end of the video. To like, subscribe, hit the bell, guys. Hit the bell for notifications for ThisisJensStory. Also go do the same to my channel, VinceTylerTV. Check it out for the first part. So I guess that's gonna be the end of the video. Peace.